When it comes to your business's security, aesthetics, and functionality, the doors you choose play a vital role. Whether you're upgrading existing doors or installing new ones, choosing the right commercial doors for your Fort Worth business requires careful consideration. The installation process is crucial to ensure long-term durability and safety, while also enhancing your building's curb appeal. Here's a comprehensive guide to commercial door installation in Fort Worth to help you make informed decisions. Types of commercial doors. Before you dive into installation, it's essential to understand the different types of commercial doors available. Choosing the right type will depend on your specific needs, such as security, traffic flow, or energy efficiency. Entry doors. These are the most common types of commercial doors. Typically made of metal, fiberglass, or aluminum, entry doors are designed for high traffic areas and offer enhanced security features. Glass doors. Glass commercial doors provide a modern, sleek look while also allowing visibility from both the inside and outside. Hollow metal doors. These doors offer strong security and are often used in businesses that require higher levels of protection. Roll-up doors. Ideal for warehouses or loading areas, roll-up doors are durable and designed to maximize space. They roll up into a coil above the entrance, saving valuable square footage. Fire doors. Required by law in certain commercial buildings, fire-rated doors are designed to prevent the spread of fire and smoke. They are typically made of steel and feature seals to limit heat and smoke transfer. Sliding doors. For businesses with limited space or for enhancing traffic flow, sliding doors are a practical choice. They offer easy access and are commonly used in retail stores, medical offices, or restaurants. Automatic doors. Automatic doors are becoming increasingly popular in Fort Worth commercial buildings, particularly in medical centers, offices, and grocery stores. They provide convenience and are ADA compliant. Why professional installation matters. When it comes to commercial door installation, professional service is crucial. Here's why. Safety. Improper installation of commercial doors can lead to security risks or even accidents. A trained professional ensures the door is installed safely and meets local building codes and regulations. Efficiency. Professionals bring the right tools and experience to the job, minimizing installation time and disruptions to your business operations. Quality assurance. Expert installers can provide a warranty on the installation, giving you peace of mind knowing the door will function properly over time. Compliance. Certain types of commercial doors, such as fire-rated or ADA-compliant doors, must meet specific regulations. A professional installation team will ensure compliance with local codes and safety standards. Factors to consider before installing a commercial door. To make the most out of your door installation, keep the following factors in mind. Traffic flow. Consider how often the door will be used and the volume of traffic. A high-traffic entrance may require heavy-duty materials or automatic doors to handle the constant opening and closing. Security needs the security of your business should always be a priority. Look for doors made of durable materials, with additional security features such as multi-point locking systems or impact-resistant glass. Climate control. Fort Worth experiences varying temperatures throughout the year. Doors that provide insulation can help control your building's temperature, contributing to energy savings and comfort for your employees and customers. Aesthetic appeal. The door is often the first thing customers see when they approach your business. Choosing a door style that complements your brand's aesthetic can enhance your building's curb appeal. Budget. Commercial door installation can be a significant investment. Set a realistic budget and factor in both the initial installation costs and long-term maintenance requirements. Choosing a commercial door installer in Fort Worth. When selecting a contractor for your commercial door installation, look for a company with experience in commercial projects and a proven track record. Ensure they offer a range of door styles to choose from, as well as customization options. Always ask for references, check reviews, and verify that they are licensed and insured. Conclusion. A commercial door is not just an entryway, it's a reflection of your business's commitment to quality, safety, and customer experience. Whether you need enhanced security, energy efficiency, or a stylish modern entrance, selecting the right door and professional installation service is essential. Fort Worth businesses should carefully assess their needs, choose a trusted installer, and ensure that the door installation meets their operational goals. With the right doors, your business will not only be more secure but will also stand out to your customers from the very first impression.